Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about the admission procedure and about the admission, PhD admissions in different foreign universities for Indian students, and also a bit about how to get PhD admission at the premier institutes of India. Now, whenever I come across students, they specifically ask me that how should we get admission into PhD since I am a PhD student. So they ask me. And most of them, they even say that they have GRE, TOEFL, and IELTS scores. And using the free marks delivery services, they have sent it to the universities which they have shortlisted before going for examination. But still, they have not received any kind of response despite high scores, right? So first of all, I like to clear one thing, that you should first stop comparing the admission procedure of PhD with PG and UG courses, right? They are very different. For admission in UG and PG courses, you need high GRE, TOEFL, and IELTS scores, which are almost enough for you to get admissions in UG and PG courses. However, the case in PhD is very different, right? It is not same like UG and PG admissions. For PhD admissions abroad, it is just a requirement to have a decent score in GRE and TOEFL IELTS examination. However, this does not guarantee you admission into a PhD program. For a PhD, you need to have a very strong UG and PG background, along with decent publications with a thesis. Also, along with this, you need to compare the statement of purpose and an intriguing CV. And these two documents play a very important role as they help you in developing the first impression. And at last, the most crucial thing that you need is the research proposal. How to make research proposal, I have already posted the video, you can go and check it. And this document, research proposal, defines how much knack and can you have for research and also of the field you want to work in. So it's a very important document. You can go and watch the video that I have already posted on how to make a research proposal. Now, the journey doesn't end here. Now you have to send them these documents specifically to the professors of the related field who are available in the universities you have shortlisted. Then through email, you should send all the relevant documents. And after that, if the professor is interested in working with you, then that professor will contact you and discuss with you. Consider that this discussion will be an interview. Consider it as an interview. After that, start the filling up of application form of the respective university. Remember, some of the universities, after all these processes, may also ask you to take a written examination or an interview, both. But this basically happens in the universities of United States. Most probably in European countries, it will not happen. Now, after you apply to the university and the application is accepted by the professor, you had a conversation with them, and then he helps you to have a secondary supervisor by circulating your document and application again among the respective research associates or fellows or lecturers. After all this, you get a position as a PhD research scholar and student in the top 500 global universities outside India. Why I am focusing on 500 global universities outside India? Because if you go except these universities, then there is no need. You can do your PhD from India, from any universities. But if you are going outside, always focus to go to the universities which are enlisted or ranked in the top 500 by QS ranking or times higher education, right? Therefore, if anyone is saying that having GRE, TOEFL and IELTS scores are enough, or any consultancy firm says you that we will help you get admission in the foreign universities, then please do not listen to them, as it will only waste your precious time and hard earned money. Please don't fall into those traps, okay? Or if you are thinking in that way, then you are on the wrong track. I'm sorry to say you that. Follow the steps properly and patiently. Now, coming to the Indian universities like IITs and NITs, most of these institutes, they ask for gate examination, score for off gate examination, but that is not the guarantee. Gate examination doesn't guarantee you a PhD position in any of these institutes. You will have to again submit research proposals, your UG and PG background, what researches you have done, what kind of thesis you have written, what publications you have, everything you'll have to do. Then you'll have an interview with the supervisor, and in some cases like in IIT Madras or IIT Bombay, you also will have to separately appear for a written examination and an interview, and then you get selected. And also remember that your research work or the work that you want to pursue as a PhD students must match the professor who is actually interviewing you. So please be very careful when you choose any kind of research topic, and then you should approach all these things properly. And please don't fall into any kind of trap which will be wasting your time. Please follow the steps properly. I hope this will help you, and I wish you all the best for getting admissions as a PhD student. I hope this small video of mine will help you to guide you to get admission as a PhD student in any of the institutes of your choices. Thank you very much.